Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some methods to fix error code CE-112859-6 on PlayStation 5. So, firstly, restart your PS5. After that, if the error code CE-112859-6 still appears, then turn off the PS5 completely. Once turned off, disconnect the power cable from the console and even from the power source. Next, wait for around 5 minutes or so and then plug back the cable in. Finally, power on the PS5 and check whether the CE-112859-6 error code is fixed or not. Method 2. Restoring licenses. Go to Settings. Select Users and Accounts. Scroll down and select Other. Select Restore Licenses. Select Restore. Once done, go back your game or app and see if the problem is fixed or not. Method 3. Rebuild database. You have first to turn off your console by holding the power button for 3 seconds. The power indicator will blink for a few moments before turning off. Once the console is off, press and hold the power button again. Release it after you hear the second beep. One beep will sound when you first press, and another 7 seconds later. Connect the controller with the USB cable and press the PS button on the controller. Select Clear Cache and Rebuild Database. Select Rebuild Database, which starts automatically upon confirmation of selection. Once the PS5 database rebuilding is complete, you'll have to restart PS5 and wait for PS5 to finish rebooting and see whether that has fixed error or not. Method 4. Try with another PlayStation account. You can create a new account on the PlayStation with a different email and the app should download on that account, which will work on your main one as well. Method 5. Factory Reset PS5. If none of the solutions above has worked for you, it's time to reset the PS5 system and reinstall the Ps5 System software from scratch, as there might be some compatibility issue or system file conflict, corruption on the PS5. That's it guys, hope these help you. Please check comments to update new methods. Thanks.